Diana, this is Brittany. I promised to provide you and your company with a short educational video, and you're probably asking why I'm sending it. Well, I've realized that small business owners are so busy running their own business and taking care of their customers that they don't have time to learn how to get more customers in the door. So the only thing stopping them a lot of the time as well is knowing who is an expert and who is not. So some people can take this information and like to do it themselves, which is totally cool with me. And some people like to connect with me as well. So either way, I'm cool with. This is just an educational video for you guys and a attack plan to get more customers in the door using your website. So I'm going to be going over some tips and tricks today. I'm going to be going over 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. So first, I'm going to go over the content on your page. Right now, I'm looking for the number of words on your front page, and there's not really a whole lot of words here. I would say there's probably around 30 or so. And this is also an image. You definitely want this to be text so Google can read it as well. So definitely, we recommend having 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. And this is because content is king and it gives you authority with Google. So it'll also help you rank, especially with some keywords throughout your content that you can place throughout, which will tell Google what terms you want your website to be found for. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And keywords, good keywords, are buyer intent keywords. So for example, I went ahead and I typed in floor installation, Atlanta, Georgia. This is a great buyer intent keyword because it is service and location specific. I'm a consumer looking for floor installation in Atlanta, Georgia. So someone might type this in to the top of Google, and these are the kind of keywords you want to rank for. So the first thing that comes up are these Google Guarantee local ads, and these are really great for getting some quick customers. They have a pretty high conversion rate according to our data, around 30 to 50%, and they are good for ranking in local service cities that you guys serve. So below those Google guaranteed ads are these Google ads here. Now 5 to 10% of people looking for a service will choose one of these. Below that is the Google Map Pack, and 30% of consumers will choose a business here on one of the top 3 spots. And last but not least, below all of that is the organic search results. Now 60 to 70% of people will choose a business here on the first page of Google for their service. And I was looking for a local company, and a lot of the time these directories show up like House and Angie. That's totally normal. But I went ahead and brought up David's Hardwood Flooring. They are actually the first one that pops up for this keyword, floor installation, Atlanta, Georgia. And so they are one of your competitors for one of your services. And here is their website. Looking at their content, they have quite a good amount of content here. Still not the recommended amount, but they definitely have some good content. So I would say they probably have around 500 words or so on the homepage. So we briefly just went over content. The next thing I want to talk about are backlinks. And up on this page, this is a page program that I like to use called Ahrefs that I like to put in websites here to compare and evaluate how they're doing. And the first thing I want to go over is this DR rating and this UR rating. So a DR rating is essentially a power rating, and the UR rating is a trust rating. And both of these are raised by something called backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's essentially like a popularity contest. So the good thing is with what they're doing is they are pretty close with matching these 2 ratings, the power and trust rating, and that's what we want to see. So they have 192 referring domains linking to 1.51k or 1,500 backlinks. Looking at your website, you guys have 18 referring domains pointing to 50 backlinks, and you definitely want to raise the backlinks that you guys have so that you guys can start getting some more trust and power with Google. And with that being said, it is good to mention as well that not all links are created equal. So it's worth noting that the best backlinks to have are those of quality, those that are relevant to your industry and your services, and those from local websites. Those ones will work the best for linking, referring to your website. Alright, so we've briefly gone over content and backlinks. Last thing I want to go over is citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack that I showed you a little bit ago here, near the top of our search result. And this is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories that we actually found here in our search result, House, Angie, there's a bunch of others. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet, so the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you'll rank above them. Alright, so we've gone over 3 things. We've gone over content, backlinks, and citations. The last thing I want to note is keywords. So you guys are currently ranking for 14 keywords, however, they are not buyer intent keywords when I checked on these. You definitely want to have a lot of buyer intent keywords that are relevant to your services that you offer and the locations that you are also servicing. Your competitor is ranking for 870 keywords, and with all of these things together, they're able to bring in quite a good amount of traffic per month. A lot of good quality leads there. At 447, you guys are at 4, so you definitely want to raise those 3 things, get your content on your homepage and throughout your website with some buyer intent keywords, raise the number of backlinks that you guys have, and focus more on quality, good, awesome backlinks to have with those referring domains. And also, last thing, getting lots of citations in so Google can see you throughout and get you guys ranking on the Google Map Pack. Alright, so that all covers it for us today. And by the way, super congratulations on your rating here for expertise. That's awesome. Congratulations, guys. So I just wanted to show this to you guys to provide some valuable educational content and how to strengthen your online presence. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback, and I will talk with you soon.